Jaguar CX-75 is a hybrid electric, two-seat, concept car from Jaguar which debuted at the 2010 Paris Motor Show. The CX-75 concept produces 778 horsepower through 4 electric motors, each of which drives one of the 4 wheels. The batteries driving these motors are recharged using 2 diesel-fed micro-gas turbines instead of a conventional 4-stroke engine. It is described as an ideas model that will influence future design and technology. The CX-75 was named in honor of Jaguar Euro 1 registered trademark S 75th anniversary. The C stands for concept and the X for experimental. In May 2011, Jaguar announced plans to build from 2013 until 2015 a limited production of the Jaguar CX-75, with a downsized, boosted petrol engine instead of the micro-gas turbines in the concept model. The plug-in hybrid supercar price was estimated between £700,000, £900,000 depending on local market and taxes. A maximum of 250 cars were planned to be built in partnership with Formula One team Williams F1. The production version was expected to have an all-electric range of 50 km. In December 2012, the carmaker announced the cancellation of production due to the ongoing global economic crisis. Engine and performance. In terms of performance, Jaguar envisioned a goal of their future supercar reaching 330 km/h and accelerating from 0 to 100 km/h in 3.4 seconds and 80 to 145 km/h in 2.3 seconds. It is powered by 4 145 kW electric motors, a Euro 1 for each wheel, which produce 780 HP and a total torque output of 1,600 Nm. Inherent in the drivetrain is the ability to independently vector torque to each wheel across the full speed range. Each motor weighs 50 kg. The micro-gas turbines from Bledon jets generate enough electricity to extend the range of the car to 900 km while producing 28 grams of CO2 per kilometer on the EU test cycle. While running solely on battery power, the CX-75 has an all-electric range of 110 km. Among other advantages, the micro-turbines used in the CX-75 can be run on a range of fuels including diesel, biofuels, compressed natural gas and liquid petroleum gas. A 15 kWh lithium-ion battery pack weighs 185 kg. Jaguar estimates an average carbon emission of 28 grams per kilometer on European test cycle, however, the carbon emission is around 150 grams per kilometer if the turbines are running. Jaguar also focused on the aerodynamics in order to improve performance. For example, the carbon fiber rear diffuser that guides airflow from under the car creating downforce, and includes an active aerofoil and is lowered automatically as speed increases. Moreover, the CX-75 features an extruded and bonded, aerospace-inspired, aluminium chassis, saving on weight and improving sustainability and performance. Production. In May 2011, Jaguar unveiled plans to build a £700,000 petrol-electric plug-in hybrid supercar in the UK. The carmaker planned to build a maximum of 250 cars in partnership with Formula One team Williams F1. The decision was part of a £5 billion investment plan, announced by Jaguar Land Rover in March 2011 at the Geneva Motor Show, to launch 40 significant new products over the next 5 years. The model was scheduled to be built from 2013 until 2015, although it had not yet been decided where production would take place. The CX-75 was to be built without the micro-turbines. Instead, the production version would use a downsized, highly boosted petrol engine, with 1 electric motor at each axle. In order to create a lightweight strong structure, the chassis was planned to be made of carbon fiber, and the engine would be mounted low for optimum weight distribution and to retain the Concepta Euro 1 registered trademark S silhouette. The CX-75 production version was expected to deliver CO2 emissions of less than 99 grams per kilometer, a sub-3 second 0-60 mph time, a top speed in excess of 200 miles per hour, and a reduced all-electric range of 50 km as compared to the 110 km for the concept car. Cancellation. In December 2012, Jaguar's global brand director announced the cancellation of production due to the ongoing global economic crisis, as the carmaker considered that it seems the wrong time to launch an £800,000 to £1 million supercar. The company expects to take advantage of part of the investment in the CX-75 development by using the CX-75 technology in future Jaguars. The hybrid technology could be used on a 3-cylinder engine to give it the power of a 6-cylinder engine, and the CX-75's sophisticated aerodynamics should also influence future Jaguars, while the high-pressure supercharger technology could be used on future performance Jaguars with 4-cylinder engines. Jaguar announced its decision to continue working on 5 prototypes to be developed until May 2013. Up to 3 of these will then be sold at auction, while 1 will go into a future Jaguar museum, and the other will be kept by Jaguar for running demonstrations. See also, Jaguar CX-16, Jaguar's smaller 2011 hybrid 2-seat sports car concept, electric car use by country, list of modern production plug-in electric vehicles, plug-in electric vehicle, references. External links, official website.